dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside we nation Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news and we don't come with updates concerning the Edo State Governorship Petition Tribunal where they sit down for inside Abuja. And the cocoa now be see on Thursday will be the 13th day of February for inside this year 2025. The All Progressive Congress wey be APC last don close their defence in the petition where they challenge their victory in the September 21st, 2024 governorship election wey happen for inside Edo State, Benin City. And normally, my good people, as the APC then close their case, it didn't surprise plenty people because now just Wednesday for year after the All Progressive Congress will be the third respondent for inside the petition where they filed by the People's Democratic Party will be PDP and their candidate Mr. Aswe Ighodalo. Now then calling 4 witnesses we can give evidence in respect of the governorship election. And my good people, no forget say the 3-member panel will be led by Justice Wilfred Nkochi on Wednesday being adjourned the tribunal to Thursday, so that it will help the All Progressive Congress tender some documents where then they claim say it they remain. And they also claim say that those documents now their witness won't rely on as they give their evidence. And on that same Wednesday, the APC with the yarn they give the court say they will call 28 witnesses to come defend their victory in the September 21st governorship election we happen for inside Edo State, Benin City. On that same Wednesday, they can call 4 witnesses. The APC can ask for adjournment till Thursday so that it will help them call their remaining witness will be 24 because now 28 now they say they want carry come the court. So as they don't call 4, so it will call remain 24 witnesses. And the young give the tribunal for the adjournment so that they will help them now go call their witness, then arrange some kind of documents where they go tender before the tribunal. Now then by themselves talk am will no be say person point them gun for head, no be say person force person before they come the request for the adjournment. Now when the matter come last come up on Thursday, the Council of the All Progressive Congress will be Chief Ferdinand come dey inform the court say their party still dey wait for the documents and the documents they come from Benin City, Edo State. Now before I proceed onto the matter, e get one video where I want share give the general public. Make una watch this video proper and make una tell me what you think for the comment section.
The damage has already been done. But people who find runs away to fight another day. The APC had told us, the third respondent in this case, that they had 28 witnesses to tender before the tribunal. And the 4 of them that were brought yesterday helps our case to substantiate our prayers that there was overvoting and there was non-serialization of sensitive materials. And there's a sense in which the council saw that the witnesses were helping the PDP and decided not to call any more witnesses. They also told us that they had more documents to tender before the tribunal today. And it appears that the documents had an accident along the way, and so they couldn't bring it before the court. So we are pleased. The court, in her wisdom, has granted them 7 days to send their briefs to the petitioner, and we have 5 days to respond. And so we're hopeful that with all the evidence tendered before the court, with all the witnesses that have come to give their addresses before the court, the PDP has again shown to the tribunal, just the same way we've been telling the Edo people, that Aswe Ighodalo won the election. We had the highest number of legal, lawful votes, and he should have been declared winner after the September 21st election. So we are pleased with the outcome of the tribunal, and we are hopeful for better days ahead for the PDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Now, my good people, I believe say all of us now don't observe the video. We don't touchlight how things now take play out for the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, where sit down for inside Abuja. Now, based on say things now just they go in favor of the People's Democratic Party. Normal, them now they go they happy. The camp of the PDP now they are very much jubilating. They happy say joy is coming. Aswe Ighodalo is coming also. Saying I be the rightful winner of the Edo State governorship election and he's coming to take his place. He's coming to take his mandate. Say APC their candidate will be Monday Okpebolo no get business for government house because he no even fit defend his own victory. But as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, men wey sabi, wey be experts, they don dey yarn, they don dey drop advice. Say make the People's Democratic Party never dey happy yet because the tribunal never drop their ruling. Yes, things dey go in their favour, but e never can tell wetin fit happen. This one wey all the witnesses wey the respondents dey carry come just dey testify, just dey yarn say yes, there is overvoting, yes, irregularities true happen. It is very much fishy. But the PDP, their own be say, if dem remove all the irregularities finish, if dem remove the overvoting, last na their candidates wey be Aswen Ighodalo na win the election. Make e no be say the All Progressive Congress dey get plans, they wan turn the tables around. Make e no be say e get one film wey they wan play give the general public, but the PDP don already dey dance to another music. Now men don dey yarn say if it be say all these levels now wey dey play out for inside the tribunal na just game wey the All Progressive Congress dey play. This one wey their witnesses just dey admit to overvoting. This na sign, and no be the kind of sign wey the supporters of the People's Democratic Party supposed to see come begin dey happy, come begin dey celebrate. This na sign wey be say they're supposed to dey fear, they're supposed to dey very much watchful, because by law, when both parties don't agree on overvoting, that dey simply mean say the election was not free and fair. And in those kind of cases, there is room for rerun of election. If it be say they go do the election again, and if last they can't rerun the election, and as they can't do the election again, the All Progressive Congress come manage go rig am again, the PDP is supposed to get am for back of their mind say there is nothing like tribunal, because tribunal no go come board after a rerun election. Now it may seem like joy is coming, it may seem like good news is about to happen for inside Edo State, but they gats be very much mindful and make them no lose guard, because the tribunal never last drop their ruling. And no be lie, my good people, even as things now they go in their favor, there is no harm to be careful. There is no harm in still maintaining your guard, because things might still go wrong. You understand? Men wey sabi, men wey be experts, they just sit down, they look. They just sit down, they observe the Edo State Governorship Petition Tribunal. They just they wait on their ruling, and they all they observe the play where they happen for inside the tribunal. May last they see the results. But no matter how it wan be, reality latest gist could make sure say the information reach the general public. Now, anyhow this topic be for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. You know, say now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give on reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our nation, Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news they come, now you go first receive the information and you go even get some sharp. We dey call your side again to other legit news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.